Hello guys! In this video, I will talk about 4 steps to getting the right homeowner's insurance. 7 steps to getting the right homeowner's insurance. Step 1. Figure out what you need covered. Start by determining the replacement cost of your home, the total value of your personal belongings, and the total value of your assets. You also want to consider covering additional structures such as garages or sheds and purchasing flood or earthquake insurance if you live in a high-risk area. Step 2. Calculate how much coverage you need. Calculate the replacement cost of your dwelling. Local construction cost and your home's size are 2 of the most significant factors affecting your home's replacement cost, according to the Insurance Information Institute. 3. Factors such as your home's exterior and interior construction materials or other special features on your property like garages or a pool will also determine how much coverage you'll need. There are several ways to estimate your dwelling's replacement cost. You can either get an estimate from your insurer or use a third-party replacement cost calculator. You can also hire an in-person appraiser, which may be more costly, or you can do it yourself by multiplying your local construction cost by the square footage of your home. Use multiple methods to get the most accurate replacement cost, which will ensure you're covered entirely. Perform a home inventory. Creating a detailed list of your possessions will help you assess how much you'll need in homeowner's insurance. After recording your home's inventory, consider whether you'd like to insure your personal property for its actual value or replacement cost coverage. Take note of expensive items like jewelry or expensive electronics. If your inventory includes things that require more coverage, consider purchasing a personal property floater or endorsement. Figure out how much additional living expense insurance you'll need. Most policies cover you if you need to make alternative living arrangements while rebuilding your home after a claim. According to the 3, the cost to pay for living expenses during repairs amounts to 20% of the home's replacement cost. Check with your insurer as additional living expense limits vary with each provider. You can increase this coverage at an extra charge. Determine how much liability insurance you'll need. You should purchase enough liability insurance to cover your assets. Most homeowners' insurance policies have a minimum of $100,000, but consider having at least $300,000 to $500,000 of coverage, says the 3. If that's not enough to cover your assets, consider purchasing an umbrella or excess liability coverage. Step 3. Have your personal information and your home's information. Having your personal and home's information on hand can help you expedite gathering home insurance quotes. Personal information: name, date of birth, marital status, and contact information. Basic information about your home: address, how long you've lived in there, what type of home you reside in, and if it's your primary residence, if there's a mortgage on the property, the year it was built, square footage, number of bedrooms/bathrooms, number of stories. How your home was built, material you're building, exterior wall and roof are made out of, heating or cooling systems, and the type of foundation and construction your home has. Safety: how far your home is from the nearest fire station and fire hydrant, if you have home safety systems. If you need extra coverage: jewelry and high-end electronics, pets, swimming pools, or trampolines if you operate a business in your home. Step 4. Gather and compare home insurance quotes. The 3 recommends gathering quotes from at least 3 different companies. To begin your search, ask friends and relatives for recommendations. You can also contact your state insurance department to provide you with rates and complaint ratios of major insurers. To compare quotes, know what's going into your policy's coverage to make the best apples-to-apples comparison. A standard homeowner's insurance will include dwelling, personal belongings, liability protection, and additional living expenses coverage. Ensure any additional coverage you opt to purchase is included in your quote. You also want to check that your deductibles and coverage amounts are equal across all your quotes. A deductible is an amount you have to pay before your insurance provider delivers your claim. The lower your deductible is, the higher your premiums will be. Additionally, it's necessary to ensure your coverage amounts are the same across the board. You don't want to end up underinsured if you need to rebuild your home, replace your personal property, or get sued for accidents that occur on your property.